Adaline from Bonney Lake, Franklin, and I'll be showing you how to make our August Gnome of the Month. First, we'll be gluing our bag so that it stands up. Add a dot of glue to each corner on the bottom of the bag and fold them in. To make our hat, cut out your burlap and then add a line of hot glue all the way up one of the shorter straight sides and roll it up into a cone. Now arrange your sunflowers and leaves however you would like on your hat. I recommend adding just a bit of glue to each one so that it sticks. Now, to attach the beard, we're going to add a line of glue opposite of the seam of the hat and attach the beard fur facing out. To attach the nose, peel away a little bit of the fur right under the front of the hat. Add a dot of glue. Stick on a little wooden nose. And here we have our finished August Gnome of the Month. Happy crafting!